Good day to all employers, especially to my future employers. My name is Ellen Amante, 36 years old, single, blessed with 3 kids ages 12, 10, and 6. I am a graduate of post-secondary 2 years course computer programming. I have an experience as a domestic helper here in Malaysia in 3 years and one employer. I serve of 2 family members, ages 68 and 67. My responsibilities are gardening, car wash, household chores, cooking, ironing, and washing. And also I have an experience as a nanny in the Philippines way back 2018 until 2020. I serve of 4 family members, ages 40, 38, 1-year-old girl, and 4-year-old boy. For 1-year-old girl, my responsibilities are dressing, feeding, bathing, and changing diaper. For 4-year-old boy, my responsibilities are preparing her nutritious foods, snacks, sending to school, and pick up to school, and also assisting her homework, tutorials, and also playing with them. Mom and sir, time to time, also I make sure the safetyness of the kids. Mom and sir, about myself, I am a confident woman, a strong woman, and hardworking. And also I have a long patience, lovable. Mom and sir, I will make sure your kids I treat my own child. Mom and sir, thank you so much and see you soon.